Hey guys, good day, welcome back to my video. So in today's video I am going to be treating my hair for hair growth. So I'm going to be working with clove. It's just one ingredient that I'm going to be working with today. So it's clove. So this oil, I just want to use it for just only today. Okay, so stay tuned. I'm going to be using this my mortar to blend it, to pound it a bit. Okay, so I want to pound it, pour it inside. You can still use double boiling method way, okay, but me, I like doing mine like this. Okay, I'm going to be adding in olive oil. So this is daily use. Okay, you must not roast it, you must not wash it. Okay, so you can add any types of oil you have. Okay, so this is my coconut oil that I made the other day, so I am going to be adding the coconut oil to it. Okay, you have to stir, reduce your gas to a very low heat. Okay, so I'm going to be adding in sweet almond oil. So I'll be adding a bit. So this is castor oil, but I'm going to use this after this thing is ready. Okay, so guys, do you know that clove can grow your hair in the period of 2-3 months, but it takes time. Hair growth journey is not something that will just work for you for just overnight. Okay, it's something of consistency. You have to be concentrating, and also you have to get more time on your head. So that's when you get that better result. Before, I was not having front hair, you guys know that, but now my hair is out, you know. So this is what I use sometimes to grow my hair. So if you want to grow your hair, please follow this page, subscribe to my channel. You are going to be seeing everything that I'm using. All right, this is water in my hand, so I want to drop a bit of water to this oil. So it's time to sieve it. So guys, it's time to add in our castor oil. So you have to stir everything well before applying it. So are you seeing it? So this is our clove oil. It's ready. All right. So guys, this is my hair. So I want to apply it now. I am not going to wash this. Okay, so this is my 10 months old hair. Are you seeing it? It's 10 months old. So it's time to apply it. Hair growth journey is not something that works for you for just one day or 1 month. So it's something of consistency. All right, so this is it. I want to apply it now. This is daily use, guys. So you must not use it for just 1 day. So you can be applying it every day. Okay, so you can be applying it every day. It's daily use. Okay, so natural hair needs care. If you are not treating your natural hair, trust me, it's not going to grow like that. Okay, so you have to be treating it before you get that better result. This is what I normally do every day. Let's say every day, because me, I used to treat my hair 2-3 times, 4 times a week. So if you don't treat your hair like that, your hair is not going to grow like that, even when you buy some products. All right, trust me, what your hair needs is time. It needs time to grow and treatment. All right, are you seeing the way I'm using it to massage it? So this is what I have to be doing every day. All right, before this oil will finish. All right, I will also use it on my children's hair because it's for all hair types. All hair types can use it. Okay, so this is my front hair. As you can see, I'm having hair all over here and here. So thank you all for watching. See you guys in my next video. I want to weave this hair now. Do you know how I protect my hair? I don't leave my hair just like that. So I used to do it cornrow. Okay, that's what I'm going to do now, just to protect my hair. All right, for breaking. So stay tuned, you're going to see it in my next video.